So here's a good question that we just got asked is what types or how does insurance work? So it's important to first understand how insurance works, all right? And many people don't realize how it works. And first and foremost, let me just clarify that chiropractic is covered under just about every insurance. So I'd say 95% of insurances, insurance carriers, depending on what type you have, whether it's Medical Mutual, Blue Cross, United Healthcare, Cigna, you name it, it covers chiropractic care. So that's one thing that needs to be stated first and foremost. But in terms of insurance, many people don't realize how it works. So let me explain that real quick. So there's three different things that we have. We have a deductible, we have co-insurance, and then we have a copay. Simply put, a copay is what's being paid every single visit. So if your copay is $10, then every visit you'll have a $10 copay, in addition to any deductible or co-insurance you may or may not have. So the copay is every single visit. So the next thing that comes up is the deductible. A lot of different plans are now starting to have, or people are starting to elect to have higher deductible plans. So because premiums keep going up, so it's, you select a higher deductible plan. So the deductible is the amount that you as the carrier has to pay before the insurance company starts to pay on their end. So if you have $100 deductible or $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 deductible, that is the dollar amount that you have to pay first before the insurance starts to pay any or all of the remaining portion. So again, they say it's $300 and your first visit, or you've come for a couple times and you have $200 in services. Because you have a $300 deductible that's not satisfied yet, that first $200 will be a patient responsibility, and then subsequent visits will keep becoming the patient's responsibility until that $300 is met. Then the insurance kicks in. So typically after the deductible is met, you have something what's called a co-insurance, and that's usually a 90-10 or 80-20, something of that nature, and that's the percentage of which the insurance will pay and the insurance percentage of which the patient or yourself will pay. So if it's 80-20 or 90-10, the lower number is what the carrier or yourself would pay. So 10% of each additional visit after the deductible has been satisfied. So that's how insurance works. Again, we typically, any insurance carrier is gonna cover chiropractic. We at our office take just about every insurance: Anthem, Blue Cross Blue Shield, Medical Mutual, United Healthcare, Cigna. Those are the common ones in this area. So we accept those. The next question to answer after that is basically, what if I have a high deductible, or what if I have what are my options? So usually we present the option to people if they have a higher deductible, that will give them the option to do a self-pay, which typically gives us the ability to adjust prices, offer a little bit of a time of service discount so that you don't have to pay as much out-of-pocket expenses. So a common question that we get, hope that helps to clear it up. If you have any questions regarding that, don't don't hesitate to call and ask us specifically about your plan. If you want us to look at your insurance or check into your plan coverage, just give us a call. All we need is your member ID, obviously your insurance carrier, which company is carrying your insurance, and then your date of birth. Those three things, and we'll be able to check your insurance and tell you right over the phone within a matter of 30 seconds what your coverage is and what's the best option for you. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon.